Pabalik na kaming Calgary. There's another 800 kilometers or so to go. Along the road.
Easy access.
Oh,
No need to hike.
no need to hike. And what else?
Libre!
Yun na maganda, libre. First time ko nakita. Oh, powered by water. Galing. For EV, there's sila. Oh. Meron ding food truck. Iihi ako, sarado yung kabila. Yeah. Limit your charge to 30 to 40 minutes. Nasa bundok kasi. Yeah, on Coquihalla Highway. Magkano charge? There's the charge. Dito si Ala ng gopher. Oh. There's the gopher. There's Kamloops. Kamloops Superstore. Nagpunta sila sa Tim Horton. Ako'y parati nagpapagas din pag nasa BC. Like getting gas. The Spike. This is a rest area. Isn't that nice? May mga bata. Probably last day of school, no? Commander, nagpaiwan sa sasakyan. Kaya kay sister lo, siguro na tingin ng souvenir. The last bike. Tribute to the skills and labors of the thousands who built the railways. Here was driven the last bike completing the Canadian Pacific Railway from ocean to ocean, November 7, 1885. That's very long. I'm not gonna finish it, but it's very long. Sabi niyo siya, double-decker pa. Double decker pa, pero ang haba na niyan, tapos doble-doble pa. Banda, tabi. May nadaan, may nadaan. Kumain kami dati dito. Somewhere inside. Pasok kayo dito, wala namang bayad. Picture, video. Yan, ganda, no? Ganda ng views, ano? Mga hotel yan. Yeah. Ito yung train mo, Commander. Train mo. Train. Ganda. May helicopter ride dito. But it's not, you cannot see it kung saan yun.
It's called Eagle.
Eagle Pass. Oh, yeah. Ganda, no? Maganda. Look at that view. Is it our third time here?
Yes.
Third time, yes. Ganda, no? Kumain tayo dito one time, right? Pero ice to pag ano, pag winter. Ice. Oh, hello. Sabihin mo ang pagkakaiban Moraine Lake at saka ito.
Along the road,
Along the road.
easy access,
Oh,
no need to hike.
no need to hike. And what else?
Libre!
Yun na maganda, libre. It's so much view. Look at this.
Yeah.
Tapos sa likod mo, iyan.
Ka na.
Ipihit ka lang, iyan. Libre na naman. Oh, kita mo.
Picture perfect.
Ano pang hahanapin mo? Ito solid to. May ice to pag ano.
Boating dyan.
Sarap.
No?
Yes. Oh, souvenir shop naman. Kala ko may bibili ka ng souvenir shop dyan sa loob. Doon sa kabila. Sa kabila. Sa kabila. Sa harapan. Oo. Going east towards Calgary and Revelstoke. That's going west. Going to Chicamoose, Salmon Arm, Kamloops, Vancouver. Yeah. May nadaan na train. Again, it's the same train, I guess. It's gonna pass through that hole, through that tunnel. Ito yun. Tingnan niyo. Napakahaba. Hindi ko na lang tatapusin at napakahaba nito. Sa totoo lang. Tingnan niyo yung engines kung ilan lang ginagamit. So at the front, there's two engines. Meron niya sa gitna at meron din sa huli. Kaya mga dalawa rin sa huli, isa sa gitna. So, yes, it's a very long train. I'm not gonna stand here to finish it. Masyado siya mahaba. Yung mga 15-20 minutes yan bago matapos. And they're traveling probably 50 kilometers an hour. Dito! Nakita mo yung banyo? Nakita mo yata yung banyo ko, mami. Oh. Ha? Yan siya. Na elevation. That's a good one.